It is a chocolate cereal and YouTube kind of more. So this cereal is new, I guess. It's chocolate peanut butter shreds, I think. So it's like shredded wheat, sort of, with chocolate and peanut butter. Tastes kind of like puppy chow. It's a little sweet, not gonna lie. Eric's mom sent it for the boys. She picked it up for them, and of course I'm eating it. But, I'm not usually a big cereal person. I just was intrigued and wanted to try it. It's not bad. A little sweet. Maybe more for like a midnight snack than a breakfast, but it's working. So I'm having a lazy morning. I have nothing to do today. Let me turn this camera around and show you guys my face. Even though I haven't showered yet, and I'm actually wearing yesterday's shirt. Having a bit of a lazy morning. Have no plans today other than to clean house and do laundry, which will make for a super exciting vlog. But you guys like the day-to-day stuff, so I'm also going to make some cabbage soup for some meal prep. Sounds so good. And I bought all the ingredients yesterday when I went shopping, so that's on the agenda today. Excuse me. And other than that, just hanging out. It's going to be a YouTube and TV kind of day, I think, because it's frigid outside. It's like 20 degrees. So, not going anywhere. I'm going to do that. I'm going to take you guys through and show you a little bit of the mess I have going on. Robbie actually cleaned the kitchen up last night. He does every night after dinner. It's his chore to load the dishwasher and clean up the kitchen. So it's not terrible. It needs a little bit of work, but it's not terrible. I left my cereal out that I had this morning. This was that cereal I was talking about. Peanut butter chocolate blasted shreds by General Mills. Pretty good. So yeah, like 15 minutes in the kitchen, but I do want to tackle my oven because my oven is so gross. I bought some of that fume-free oven cleaner yesterday when I went grocery shopping, so I'm going to tackle the inside of my oven and my stove because it's pretty gross too. Alexa, turn on the kitchen light. Okay. There it goes. Yeah, that's pretty gross. Should have left the light off maybe. So I gotta do that. Laundry needs to be taken care of. This is the roaster from Thanksgiving I still need to put away. Some laundry here. There's some in my bedroom too. I'm not gonna show you my bedroom because it's too embarrassingly dirty for me to show. And the living room needs some work. There's still stuff out from when we decorated the Christmas tree. And still laundry that needs to be folded. That's the same laundry that was on my kitchen table yesterday that I showed in yesterday's vlog. So, just being real with you guys. But the main areas of the house are getting cleaned up right now. Okay guys, so sort of mid-range progress here. My stovetop's clean as it's gonna get. There was candle wax all over it. I don't know what happened there. One of my kids or my husband maybe. But I scraped off as much of that as I could. My microwave's clean inside and out. I've got the oven cleaner kind of sitting on the oven to try to loosen up some of that grime. My grates are here soaking. I'll let them soak and let the oven cleaner do its thing. All these dishes are clean, so while everything's kind of soaking, I'm going to go and edit yesterday's vlog, and then I'll come back and finish this up. Whew! That's hard work. Okay, so I got my video all edited, it's uploading. I still need to do the thumbnail and work on the description box and all of that. But while my video was rendering, I was working in the kitchen. Let me show you what I figured, or what I finished in there. So I completely finished my stove top. It looks great. Put all the grates and everything back. I also went ahead and cleaned inside the oven. It's not perfect. I still need to probably spray that oven cleaner in there and leave it like overnight and really go at it, but it's so much better. The amount of grime that came out of this is pretty embarrassing. So that is all completely done. I got my sink all scrubbed out and clean. I'm just gonna wipe down the counters, sweep the floor in here, and I'll be done. And then I can tackle the living room. I'm probably not going to take you through all of that. I'm sure it'll get boring. And then I'm going to take a shower and get ready for the day. Didn't figure it made any sense to shower and get myself ready before I did all the cleaning. I continue to work on laundry, and that's going to pretty much do it for my chores for the day. So now that I've got everything mostly cleaned up, I thought I'd make a mess again. I'm going to make some cabbage soup up for myself for lunches for the week. I don't think my family will eat this. That's not true. My oldest son will eat the crap out of this. But I don't think anybody else will. My husband likes it, but it's like his digestion, he doesn't like to eat it because of that. So it won't be a dinner option. It'll definitely be for me for lunch, but I'm going to just throw this together really quick. I have my whole cabbage soup recipe in a video, which I'll link for you guys if I remember. I had to clean up that celery. It's looking a little sad, but I'm just going to throw together this soup really quickly and get it simmering so that I can enjoy it throughout the week. Alright, doesn't that look delicious, you guys? I mean, I guess if you don't like cabbage soup, it doesn't, but to me it looks amazing. I am so excited about this soup. I'm just going to let the cabbage cook through, bring this up to a boil, add some of the chicken flavored Better Than Bouillon. You could use a veggie broth or whatever if you wanted to make it vegetarian, but I'm not a vegetarian, so I'm just going to use the chicken. And that's going to be my lunch all week. I am so psyched about this. Alright, I'm out with this guy. We are doing a little bit of shopping. He was looking for gift ideas for a friend of his. We just left Kohl's. Now we're going into TJ Maxx. Okay, so while we were at TJ Maxx, Robbie found a really beautiful gift for his friend, and I fell in love with this notebook and had to have it, so I brought it home with me. It is so beautiful. It's by Think Ink. And it's just a little journal. You can select the date that you're writing in it. I love this navy blue color, and it was only $6.99.